Accept the situation, and move on. Always aim for the top. Dad, a son's first hero, a daughter's first love. Dare to stand alone even when the whole world is against you. Doing the tough things sets winners apart from losers. Don't let two women teach you the same lesson. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Either change your situation, or change your mindset. Failure will never overtake me, if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Focus on where you want to go, not where you are. Hard times always reveal true friends. Having a real friend is a blessing. I want my squad to win. If you see me less, it's because I'm doing more. It all started with a dream. Kill them with success, bury them with a smile. Never forget who you are. Never lower your standards for anyone. Never reveal your next move. Save yourself, for yourself. Stay classy, stay positive, stay hungry. Stay original and let the world copy you. Stay real, stay loyal or stay away from me. Thank you for the pain, it made me raise my game. The less you care, the more they care. Think like a boss, become a boss. Thousands of games to play, still people play with feelings. Trust yourself, and keep going. We learn best lesson in worst time. You are the driver of your own life.